Welcome to the Learning Gateway. In our previous lecture, I have briefly explained about the three major categories of analytical reasoning. In today's lecture, we will solve our first case of the subcategories of arrangement. As I have mentioned earlier, that in arrangement we have subcategories of ranking, distribution, and networking. Our first case is the example of our previous lecture in which we have to find the exact order of 5 persons, and the 5 persons are sharp, fair, overweight, feeble, and tall on the basis of these given information. So let's start it. First of all, I would like just to write down the 5 positions of these individuals. Right now, using that information, we have to find out the exact order. Let's move to the first information given to us, that one person at the forest ends is sharp or fair. So in simple, the sharp, if sharp is here, the fair must be at this end. And if fair is over here, then the sharp must be on the second end. But right now, we don't know about the exact position of these two individuals. However, these two positions get consumed by those two individuals. Let's move to the second information, that overweight person is sitting to the right of the feeble person. First of all, you have to know that about which right they are talking. Consider if I'm standing in the front of this whiteboard, so my right will be considered as the right side and my left will be considered as the left side. So always take your right side as a right and left as a left. Right now, overweight person is sitting right to the feeble. If feeble is sitting over here, so the overweight person must be on position 3 or position 4. Why I assume feeble over here? Because we have to go for each and every possibility. And secondly, that is not mentioned that overweight person is sitting immediately to the feeble person. That's why I say that overweight could be on the 3rd and 4th, as first and last position are already consumed by the sharp and fair person. The third available information about this arrangement is that the tall person is to the left of the fair person. If we match this information to the first information given to us, the left side of the fair could be over here, but there is no left of the fair if he is sitting on this position. It's mean we get clear that the fair person is sitting on this end, and it implies that the sharp is over here. As I've already told you about the implied information and the linked information. So knowing the position of F, it implies that the sharp person is sitting on another side. And right now, the tall is on the left side of the fair. So the tall could be on 4th position, 3rd position, and 2nd position. Tall can consume any position on the left side of the pair, as we don't know about the exact position on the left side. Moreover, in this point, further information is given to us that feeble person is sitting between sharp and overweight. It means that feeble person is sitting on the 2nd and overweight person is sitting on 3rd position. Right now, the order get clear. Right now, we have found out the exact order of this arrangement. Let's move toward the questions about this category. The first question is that a tall person is at which place from the right? Second question is which person is to the left of the feeble? As we know the exact order of these 5 persons, so we can easily answer to each of that question. The person sitting to the left of the feeble person is sharp. The third question is which person sitting in the middle? So overweight is sitting in the middle. The last question is, if we switch the positions of fair and overweight and as well as the tall and feeble. Let's make first the new order. Right now, who is sitting to the left of the feeble? So the fair person is sitting to the left of the feeble. Ranking is one of the easiest form of arrangement, and I think that will be not difficult for you to solve the assignment just like this. Here is your assignment that the six racers have completed their race and they are RSTUVW, and you have to find out the exact order how they finished their race, and there is no tie. And the information about this arrangement you have that S does not win, only two racers separate V and U. R is behind U and V. S is ahead of V with one racer intervening. And W is ahead of U. Let me give you a clue using that information. This is the clue about this arrangement. Now you have to solve it the rest of your own. See you in the next lecture. Thank you for being with us.